Follow your instincts. Follow your innate intelligence. Follow your abilities. Follow your gifts. Follow your talents. Follow your skills. That's where the wisdom manifests itself. That is where you will flourish. That is where you're going to find the treasure. Your treasure. That is where the spark lies. That is where you find the energy. That is where it is colorful. That is where peace is. That is where joy is. That is where you will be joyful. That is where you will not care for those who disappoint you. That is where you will not be disappointed anymore. Plant your seeds and rain. Be a rain wherever you go. If it is fertile soil, things will grow. If your rain falls on a rock, nothing happens. Leave it and continue on another soil. That's all we've got to do. Show up and rain. Show up and rain. Keep raining and move on. Be present. Listen with your entire being. Become a vessel of wisdom. Become a channel of innate intelligence. Show up and rain.